Hello everybody, welcome to day 3. Now this is technically the night that we've just got in from Halloween Horror Nights, but this is the first time that we're actually seeing the property that we're staying in. And this is very special because this is the first time we've stayed in a hotel room as part of the DVC. So we want to take you around and show you what it looks like because we're very excited. So you come in and the first room that we come to on the right hand side is like, there's me. Hello. It's basically the master bathroom. So, shower with a bath in.
I call it the family bathroom.
Yeah, I suppose it's more like a family bathroom, isn't it? But it is. It's very nice in here. It is, and you know what? I know it's a deluxe resort, but I'm astounded by the size difference in like the value resorts to the deluxe. It's exactly. But yeah, got some nice artwork there. Safe to store our stuff. Extra pillows, place to hang stuff. We have an ironing board, but that'll never get used. Doesn't get used at home, it's not gonna get used here. Now this is something that I'm very happy about because I know downstairs you can go and get some things from the shop to bring up to your room. So we have a microwave, we have a coffee pot, we have a toaster, we have a fridge that we can buy some waters and put them in there to take to the parks. Trash. So then here, which Kayla was talking about before, is another bathroom that again will mean that Yvonne would love this because she'll get to see it in October when they come, but they're staying in a different resort, but it'll be set up similar, exactly. And there's 2 bathrooms, which means that Kayla can be getting ready in one and I can be getting ready in the other, and we can get out on time. Now this is the shower. This is incredible in here. Oh, wrong one.
It's got the rain.
That is phenomenal. Dibs.
Can't call dibs on a shower.
And I can sit down. I can call dibs on a shower. And I can sit down in it as well, which suits my laziness very well.
Yeah.
But that is gorgeous.
You can sit down in the bathtub too.
It's got a hairdryer for, which I'm assuming, did you forget to bring yours?
I didn't bring mine because every resort does include a hairdryer.
Yeah. And obviously it comes with, your bath wash.
Which is actually funny because in the value resorts,
Mhm.
these are attached to the walls.
Yeah, exactly. And I've noticed that, but I wonder why that is.
Because I think they knew people were starting to take these.
And they
so
think
that's
because
why
we've
it's so
spent the
deluxe.
money on DVC that we're
You
allowed
can
to
have a
take
couple
them.
soaps.
Yeah, that's cool. So now we're gonna go into the main room. So,
I'll give you can dish soap.
oh nice.
Dish soap.
But yeah, we have the TV up on the wall. Now, if I remember rightly, this is a cot.
It's a twin bed.
Yeah.
Which I can pull down, at the work on the inside, sleep on.
Oh, that is cool. Oh, then the light comes on as well.
This whole room can sleep up to a family of 5.
That is phenomenal. I'll be totally honest, Disney outdoes itself when it comes to, the theming and stuff in these places.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's nice to know that that's there for when...
When you went back into the first bathroom,
Oh, hang on.
Is,
Yeah, I showed them that.
Yeah.
I showed them that. But yeah, and I know you've just seen it because I was very quick to turn around. But yeah, so we have the TV up on here. Nice seating area across there.
Cute little Minahoney mat.
And again, I think that's another pull-out, isn't it?
So that's why it says sleeps 5. 2 will sleep here,
Yep.
2 can sleep here, 1 can sleep here. And then if you're trying to obviously you can put your suitcases under, but if you have smaller baggage to make more room in your thing.
That is
Your
cool.
table lifts up so you can put all the kids or your
See if you bring in,
backpacks.
yeah, exactly.
Your carry-on luggage in there.
And then here we have our bed.
Oh, don't forget our porch.
I'm very, very impressed. I want to have a look at this artwork thing. I am very, very, very impressed with the way this place looks. Now let's go check out the view, because we were wondering what our view was going to look like. We weren't 100% sure.
I'm also trying to remember, how does it open on that one? Hold the door, Kayla.
Hold, please.
Nope. Oh, you want me to hold it? Was there another lock up there? I don't know.
Oh. You just have to unlock it, really. That's usually how it works.
So yeah, it's kind of like I can see the parking lot over there. I think that's actually so, like I was telling you before, I think I have my. Oh, that's our luggage.
So not necessarily the greatest view, but I mean, how much time realistically are we going to spend out here this 5 days? I think it's pretty awesome so far. But yeah, that was the room tour. Very excited to be staying here. Like I say, it's crazy to think that we're staying here as DVC members.
You know, I'm not even bothered about our, like,
I've just said that. I've literally just said that. How much time realistically are you going to spend out there?
None, because I'm barely spending time. I sleep in the room. I mean, granted, I mean, people are probably like, okay, well, you're just saying you're sleeping in the room, you're not spending any time in it. I'm like, why?
Well, yeah, but I mean,
with stuff, but it's really the experience and
it is, and we're still gonna spend time here. Like, that's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is, you have everything in here. You're gonna go out there occasionally for to sit down, have a cup of coffee or whatever. Does the view really matter?
I think a lot of people like that view because they like to be, because if you're actually in the one that we're in right now, if you're on that side, you can get a view of the fireworks in Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
But I like the experience of being in the park. If I'm
exactly, that's what I'm saying. That's what you're paying the money for.
I think maybe when I'm like 65, I might.
Yeah, then we'll be asking.
Again, if somebody likes that,
then we'll be asking for those rooms. But no, I think it is a really, really nice resort. It's a really nice room.
Here, everyone are probably like, no.
I know. I'm sorry, Mum and Dad. You just think this time next year. We'll all be here, we'll all be doing it, and you'll get to see what Riviera looks like as well.
To make sure it's great enough for you.
Yeah, exactly. We're doing it for the vlog, Pierre, remember? But yeah, as I said, it's still the night before, technically. This is just the first time that we got to see the room, so we're gonna get showered, go to bed, and the next time you see us, we'll be heading to Magic Kingdom. Crystal Palace for breakfast. See you soon. Morning everybody, we are on our way to the Magic Kingdom. We have a reservation at Crystal Palace at 8:05 this morning. It's quite chilly this morning, but I've got no doubt that it's gonna warm up later. I think it's only cold because of the wind. But yeah, we're heading over to the TTC now. We're gonna get the ferry over and then go get some breakfast. Anniversary in a couple of years' time. A lot of cranes.
It doesn't make a difference because it's still the most magical construction I've ever seen. So
I definitely put it. They have this brochure for Disney's plant-based cuisine. Magic Kingdom Fall 2019, fall for our delicious assortment of plant-based menu items. Menu items are subject to change, but it looks like it has, depending on where you are, the restaurant listed. And they're basically, like it's up in the front, they're plant-based cuisines. So like you got Tony's, you got a garden salad, spaghetti and mushroom meatballs, sorbet, and Italian strawberry shortcake. At Casey's Corner, you got a slaw dog. At Crystal Palace, you have roasted breakfast potatoes, eggless Florentine, oatmeal, home-style grits, breakfast granola medley, seasonal mixed fruit, fresh seasonal vegetables, oak-fired Brussels sprouts and cauliflower rice, herb-scented rice, garden patch cottage pie, create your own garden salad, spice cupcakes, chocolate chip cookies, chocolate soy milk frozen dessert, vanilla soy milk frozen dessert, and coconut panna cotta. Which sounds delicious.
Yeah, there's a lot of nice things there. Vegetable fruits. Chicken in the canteen.
And what I like,
think to try these things. That's the thing. You kind of go in and you get the same things that you
yeah.
Get, but
and I like that they
do this.
They label over at the side too if it's a table service restaurant or a quick service restaurant. So you kind of know where your credits are being used. They do a little breakdown table for you down here.
Cool.
Cool. Yeah. Definitely hang on to it.
About when we'll walk around. I have never sat on this side of the restaurant before.
Me either. I don't think I've ever sat on this side.
No. Sorry. I'm starting off a bit traditional, so got some kind of like a hash brown casserole. Bacon, sausage, eggs, some toast, some orange juice and coffee. I didn't actually ask for the orange juice, so it's nice of them. Then we ordered one of these each as well. Now this is the house-made white sangria, and our waitress was really bigging it up and said that it was incredible. So, have you tried it yet?
It's really good.
Is it good?
So good.
I'm gonna have a try now. Okay, so here we go. It's the house-made white sangria. Oh, that is. It is. It's like a juice box. That is dangerous. That's really nice. Oh, that's nicer than the mimosa. Nicer than the mimosa we had yesterday. Try and say that 5 times fast.
It's also made airplane mimosa.
Yeah, it's true, but I mean, it was still. No, it's really nice. I'm gonna dig into some breakfast now. Hi, Piglet.
How are you? I hate you, Piglet.
Now I could easily just help her, but there's no fun in that. Come on. Yay!
Oh, it looks like carrot.
Oh, you think it's a carrot cake? So we're both wrong then.
I never got it.
Is it carrot cake? Is it nice? What did you think of the rest of your food? How was your pizza?
The pizza was really good. I was most impressed with the easy hash brown like pasta.
Yeah, me too. It's very nice. I can't wait to go and get the French toast though.
Oh my god, the French toast looks incredible.
That looks absolutely incredible. Because you told you to take a bite of the French toast by itself first. What's it stuffed with, by the way? Like banana?
No, it's just like puffy. It's just.
Well, fantastic. And then she said to try the next bite.
Yep,
without breaking the table, with a huge piece of bacon.
And there's one little syrup too.
Yeah.
I'd eat bacon sandwiches forever if I could put it between two of these.
2 of them pieces.
Maple syrup.
Oh yeah, I need to go get some.
That's almost delicious.
Okay, so plain unfiltered. That is so. It's so crispy on the outside and then so fluffy on the inside. I have to try and gauge how much bacon to use, so what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a whole piece like this and like that. My goodness, delicious.
It's delightful, isn't it?
It's phenomenal. She needs a huge tip for that. I think Eel's coming.
Hi, y'all. That was a really good breakfast, really fun. Got to meet all the characters. Tigger showed me how to bounce correctly.
I wish we got that.
I know, I'm so bummed out. That's the thing though, you never know whether or not you're okay giving your camera and stuff like that to do the recording. I know they're okay taking pictures and stuff, but we're gonna head over now. Our first fast pass was for Splash Mountain, but Splash Mountain was actually down, so they've given us another fast pass that we can use for a different ride later. But we're gonna head over to Big Thunder Mountain for what would have been our second fast pass of the day, and then I think we have a little bit of time between that and Space Mountain, so we'll probably use the other for something else.
Yeah.
Maybe Buzz Lightyear, something like that. But yeah, we're gonna head over there now and ride Big Thunder Mountain. It actually looks like Splash Mountain might be back up, so